Yeah. Gonna be a beaut. This is God's land.
Gary?
Jacob,
What's she got cooking?
got a real treat for us here today. Gonna be smoking a cheesecake.
Okay, well, first problem is that's not a smoker, but most importantly, why are you smoking a cheesecake?
Clearly this is coming from somebody who's never had a smoked cheesecake.
Well, clearly that sounds like the worst thing you could do to a cheesecake.
Counterpoint, the very worst thing you could possibly do would be to judge something before you've even tried it.
Well, I'm just saying, with my knowledge of cheesecake,
Judging this smoky book by its cover is probably going to be pretty accurate.
Get some of that accurate wisdom over at Judgy School where you got straight A's for a straight quarter. Well, why don't you feast your eyes on this, Judge Judy? Hold on to your coats there, Guy Ferrari. This one's gonna take you to Flavor Metropolis.
well, first off, this smells like an old milk truck went careening through a tire fire.
I think your attitude stinks like a bunch of dirty pigeons left an upper decker at a haunted campground's bathroom.
I'm sorry. This just doesn't sit well with me. Or on the plate for that matter.
You know what? I'm sorry too. I'm sorry I put in the effort. Wake up at 4:30 a.m. to make something nice for an uncultured, feckless baboon.
Hey, I'm not the one doing unspeakable things to time-honored desserts, you downtrodden lich. I'm sorry. You're not a lich. I just really don't want to eat smoked cheesecake, Gare Bear.
It's all right. Not everybody likes everything.
True. Hey, toss me a cold corn?
Now you're talking. Cheers, brother.
Beaut.
Corn, brewed straight on the cob. Share a cold one.
What is this, decaf?